Good morning, viewers all over the world. Our today's topic is why you should respect your parents. The fourth commandment remains the only commandment with clause among the 10 commandments. It's the only commandment that have the clause that if a promise that if you respect your parents, your life will be long. If you are one of those people that normally fight your father, curse your father, talk ill of your father, respect your father, if your father is alive, you are still lucky. Look for what he value most. You can approach him or you go with somebody. If you go there, if you are sincerely genuine, repented from all the disrespect and the other things you have caused him, go on and plead for forgiveness. If you are sincere, he will forgive you and give you his blessings. Nobody will love you more than your father. Believe in me. That you see, but if you respect your father and your father is pain because of you, you're under curse. If your father is no more, it will be a little bit difficult, but you have to do it. Go and look for akwa cookie, look for cola, your father. Only if we are sure that you have repented from this my lecture. If you go to his grave, go there only if you have repented. If you are just doing it for the sake of because you need blessing, you are a joker. Don't go there because you get more cost. After doing the act, you'll be cost. Your cost will be double. But if you have repented and remorseful of how you treated him when he was alive, go there with sincere heart. If you go there, explain, confess all the things, bad things you did against him. If you feel like crying, cry. After showing that remorseful, use 9 nails, look for one aqua, the egg mouth, break it a little, turn it upside down and say that as this egg water is going under, after that, performing that, use cola, with cola with 4 loops, pray, pray with him, ask him all the things he need, ask him to break that cola with him, share that cola with him, and all the spiritual forces that follows him. Remember, your father has chi and spiritual forces that follows him. If you appease him, he will call back his spiritual associates that are angry that you disrespected their father. Ihe abụrụ ihe father ya emewu. Ihe abụrụ ihe a na-eje na confession. Because the father that is doing na father na one going, is it father that suffered the pain? Even if father deceive himself, say that he has forgiven you, yeah, let father have not forgiven you. Your father have not forgiven you. You must go back to whom you offended and plead for mercy. If he forgives you, the spirit that follows him forgives you too. Some of these things you are running from pillar to post looking for blessings can be a thing of the past if your father forgives you genuinely. Let me stop here. Some of these things, hear my word. Some of this work, spiritual work you are doing, that is not going. Some of them is as a result of anger and pain. Your late father or your father, the anger on your father's heart, whether late or alive, can be a stumbling block standing on your way. And the only way out, I said the only way out, is to go back and for atonement, for restitution, and for liberation. Kinemenka, you'll be liberated. Oziadalo, for those of you that need liberation. May this word you hear today bring cleansing, bring liberation, and blessing upon your lives. Send the line a message 0805 78 37672. Repeat 0805 78 37672. I won't know where to share. Thank you.